Hello to everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today topic is chemistry of natural product. इसमें यूनिट 1 का terpenoid डिस्कस करेंगे हम. Terpenes. It is a German word terpentive, terpentine, that is terpentive, mixture of isomeric hydrocarbon and many of essential oils. Natural products mainly synthesized by plants contain isoprene as repeating unit C5H8. It has repeating unit C5H8. Terpenes contains carbon and hydrogen. Terpenoids contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. More than 23,000 terpenes are known. Boils under 150 degree to 180 degree Celsius. Optically active. It is optically active. Show biological activity like insecticides, anti-helminths and antiseptic action, thus useful in pharmacy. Undergoes addition of reaction polymerization and hydrogenation. Next is occurrence. Occurrence myrcene, C10H16, curry testier, alpha phallandrine, C10H16, eucalyptus oil, garnet, C10H18O, rose oil, methanol, C10H20O, pudina, alpha terpenol, C10H18O, elaichi, beta carotene, C40H56 carrot red color, citral, C10H16O lemon smell. Next is classification and nomenclature. Monoterpenoid having formula C5H8 twice and isoprene units in this is 2. Example as salanthrone and citral. Next sequence sesquiterpenoid terpenoids. इसका formula है C5H8 thrice and isoprene unit is 3 and its example is farnesol. Next is diterpenoids C5H8 4. Its isoprene unit is 4 and its example is abatic acid vitamin A. ये सारी examples हैं बाकी you can note down. Okay. And polyterpenoid में जो formula है that is C5H8 and times it is greater than 100. It has greater than 100 isoprene units and its example is rubber. Next is classification of terpenoid is based on number of isoprene unit. You can see that this is isoprene unit and C5H8 its formula and fundamental unit. Isoprene rule. Fundamental building block of terpene. Terpene is isoprene unit C5H8. Larger structure are assembled from several isoprene unit by head to tail linked isoprene unit. You can see that here is a isoprene unit and it is linked head to tail. How derived from observation. Empirical formula of terpenoid is C5H8. Thermal decomposition of terpenoid give isoprene in Wallich 1887. Isoprene unit is natural terpenes are joined head to tail in gold 1925 में discovered किया. Divisibility into isoprene unit and their head to tail union may conveniently be referred as isoprene rule. Used as guiding principle and not as a fixed rule. Next is isolation of terpenoids. First is expression method, plant material, size reduction, screening and then centrifugation. Second, stream distillation method is in which first is plant material, maceration, steam distill, essential oils. Fractional distillation, plant material directly treated with light petroleum at 50 degrees Celsius. The oil is taken up by solvent along with soluble coloring material. The essential oil is separated by removing solvent by distillation under reduced pressure. And fourth one is an enfluence method. Fat is warmed at 50 degrees Celsius in glass plate The surface of plate covered with flower plate petals and is allowed to keep until it becomes saturated with oil. Then it is replaced by new plant. Monoterpenoid C10 contain two isoprene unit, that is citral and geraniol. Acyclic monoterpenoids these are, and second is myrcene. These are also monocyclic monoterpenoids. You can see that and noted these points. Bicyclic monoterpenoid is this. Sesquiterpenoids C15 contains 3 isoprene units. Acyclic sesquiterpenoid, that is farnesol. Monocyclic sesquiterpenoid, that is zingy, brionne, berenes, and next is bicyclic sesquiterpenoid is santonin. Okay, next is diterpenoid contains 4 isoprene units, phytol, vitamin A. Isoprene unit has proved it very useful in understanding the saturated of terpenoid family. However, it can be used as a guiding principle and not as fixed rule. Several exceptions exist where head-to-tail linkage does not exist between two isoprene units. That is, lavandule is example. Triterpenoid contains 6 isoprene units, show that they are formed by establishment of a tail-to-tail bond between two smaller units. That is, squalene has C30 and H50, and this is tail, this is head and tail. Next, tetraterpenoid contain 8 isoprene units. You can see that, and beta, this is beta carotene. Next is structure determination. Determination and structure of terpenoid. First is molecular formula. The first step is to determine the molecular formula to pure sample using qualitative and quantitative analysis and mass spectroscopy. Second point is optically active with the help of optical activity. The two or more structures can be distinguished. For example, laminine and carbon are distinguished by means of optically active. The functional nature of oxygen atoms are present in the form of alcoholic, phenolic, aldehyde or ketonic and ether group in the terpenoids, which can be identified by means of functional group tests. The presence of oxygen as an alcoholic group, it is characterized by acylation reaction or benzoylation giving ester with acid derivatives such as chloride or anhydride or benzoylation reaction with benzoyl chloride. These are the reactions. Oxidation and oxidation with oxidizing agent. Terpenoids give different products according to present alcohol group. Primary alcohol gives aldehyde and on further oxidation give acid with same number of carbon atoms. RCH2OH in the presence of heat, RCHO at converter to carboxylic acid. Secondary alcohol give ketone, further oxidation given acid with less number of carbon atoms. This is the reaction. Alcoholic group present in ring on oxidation cyclic alcohol gives dicarboxylic acid with same number of carbon atoms. This is the reaction. First is converted to ketone and then it carboxylic acid. Tertiary alcohol give ketone and acid both having less number of carbon atoms. Rate of esterification also helps to determine the nature of hydroxyl groups. The rate of esterification is as follow: primary greater than secondary and greater than tertiary. Number of alcoholic group determination or derivative of active hydrogen determination method. This method was discovered by Zaripitnov and Tishogi. Alcohol on heating with methyl magnesium iodide gives methane. Methane is estimated, which gives the idea about number of hydroxyl group present in the molecule OH triple bond CH4. It is here is CH, not CH4. 1 mole alcoholic hydrogen 22.4 liter CH4 at NTP. Presence of aldehyde and ketone group. Common tests such as formation of oxime 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone sodium bisulfide derivative with sodium bisulfide derivatives with hydroxyl amine 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine and sodium bisulfide respectively. Shows the presence of aldehyde and ketone group. You can see that here is ketone and reacted with this and to form oxime, and these are also reaction. Nature of carbonyl group is detected by oxidation. Aldehyde on oxidation yields monocarboxylic acid with same number of carbon atoms, and ketones yield as mixture of acids containing lesser number of carbon atoms. RCHO, that is aldehyde with oxidation to form carboxylic acid, and other reaction is this. Cyclic ketone gave dicarboxylic acid on oxidation without losing any carbon atom. You can see that here camphor, that is cyclic ketone to form dicarboxylic acid, electron same number of carbon atoms. Next, fourth is determination of carbon C alkyl group. Methyl group CCS3 Kuhnroth methyl side chain determination method. On oxidation of terpenoid with chromic acid, CCS3 group are converted into acetic acid molecules. Acetic acid can be estimated volumetrically using NaOH, here CH3 chromic acid, and to form acetic acid. Detection of isopropylene group. On ozonization, isopropyldene group converts into acetone. Amount of acetone formed can be estimated volumetrically. You can see this reaction. Next is detection of isopropenyl group. Ozonization, it gives formaldehyde. Amount of formaldehyde formed can be estimated volumetrically. Isopropyl and isopropylene groups can be differentiated using infrared spectroscopy. Number and identification of methyl group can also be done by infrared spectroscopy. Cis and trans isomer are also identified by infrared spectroscopy. Thank you very much.